Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Brahma Tour Adventures. Today I am taking to the new Bodo restaurant in New Delhi in Safdarjung Enclave. It is 112 Humayunpuri. That is recently being opened in the month of December. And the proprietor is from Dhaligaon, one Bodo lady, young lady, and that is very beautiful restaurant. We got the message and we have come to see the restaurant and enjoy the cuisine here. There is some beautiful restaurant here. So we are taking lunch here today. Hope we will have a wonderful cuisine here. Thank you. I think it is beautifully designed. We can see there is the counter and some kind of thatches has been put off here as a roof to signify the original Bodo thatch house. And there are some pictures of Bodos here. We can see putting the kana and playing flutes and drums here. And you can see all kinds of pictures. That is small but very beautiful and well furnished inside. And again we can see here the bamboo being put here to signify the Bodo village, the tradition. You can see over here, and that is one of the Bodo young lady putting takana and zemgra and dancing Bagurumba. Yeah, that's a very beautiful and aesthetically designed restaurant.
So we can see over here a lot of Bodo traditional objects being placed in every corners of this restaurant. We can see over here mostly this are made of wood and bamboos. We can see over here on a table, and there is aram is being placed and the picture of pigs is being placed on a table, and aram is being put, and some bamboo items are being put on the table. And in every corner we can see the Bodo traditional objects. We can see over here the hanging bamboo are there, which is the objects being used by the Bodo people traditionally. We can see over here at the counter it is very beautifully designed. We can see there's the Wi-Fi service, free service is being placed on the table, and this counter is being decorated with bamboos and thatches on the roof to signify the Bodo traditional houses. We can see over here. Yeah, that's the restaurant, the Ising, Bodo Ising. That means the Bodo Kitchen. So it is good to visit these restaurants whenever you are here in Delhi, in Safdarjung area. Please visit this restaurant and have the Bodo traditional foods in there, and encourage the proprietor, Miss Bhanu of Dhaligaon, Assam, Pitha. Yeah, these are the items that we have given orders. One is the dry pork with rice powder, and star fruits with fish, kamrengga, aram, and gwran or ondla. That is very popular among the Bodo people, and that is some kind of dry fish and fermented fish chutney are there, as we have seen, and it's a very delicious and considered to be delicious among the Bodo cuisine. So friend, thank you for watching my video.